Hello, meet Sandy. She has a successful e-commerce business that is powered by Magento and wants to add courses to her product offerings. Sandy researched many learning management systems, but they do not integrate with her e-commerce platform and look way too complicated. Sandy wants an application that is easy to use and makes it possible to quickly offer new courses to her customers. If only Sandy knew about Sarus, she'd have a comprehensive solution that would allow her to quickly build, publish, and sell courses through her Magento website and leave her customers amazed by the seamless user experience. Sarus uses drag-and-drop technology that lets you intuitively build your course. Once you've finished, you simply use the Marketplace Administration panel to push your newly built course right to your store. Instantly, your customers will see your new course, be able to purchase, and effortlessly navigate to their new course straight from your website. No need to relog into another system. Enhance your customers' experience by offering them incentives like coupon codes or certificates that are unlocked through the completion of surveys or quizzes. This will keep your customers happy, engaged, and coming back for more. You've just seen how Sarus can streamline Sandy's new business initiative by making it easy to build courses, publish them to her e-store, all the while providing a seamless user experience for her customers. Now see how we can help your e-commerce business by scheduling a demo today.